Today, we're going to be talking about shadow work and other spiritual distortions. So stay tuned. If you've ever heard of shadow work and wondered what it is, or thought that that is in the way between you and your spiritual awakening, I've got you. There is a lot of misrepresentations out there about how to awaken spiritually, how to grow and evolve. And honestly, it makes things way too hard and it's unnecessary. Shadow work is talking about reflecting or finding and unveiling and sitting with the darkness in you. You don't have darkness in you, sweetheart. You do not. You are love and light. That's who we all are at our deepest levels. Now, there are layers of subconscious programming that may be getting in the way between you and that love and light, but you don't have to sit in the shadows or dive into the shadows to explore all of this. It's way simpler than that. I think at its essence, shadow work is supposed to be a way to evolve and grow yourself. And that's something we should all be doing, but you don't have to make this hard. We'll link some videos on transformation and healing and other ways you can help yourself evolve. But know that at your essence, you are love and light. You came from God's energy. There are no shadows. Embrace that. And then the way to evolve and grow is to work on your self-love. And that starts with connecting with your inner wisdom and knowing how worthy you are of God's love. And when you really know that in your heart, you will love yourself. You will have self-esteem enough so that you can look at your fault. We all have them. Look for those weaknesses, those bad habits, those things tripping you up, and work to improve them, to develop new skills that you want to embrace, new habits. That's all evolution is. And your spiritual awakening is there for you as soon as you become intentional about receiving communication from your inner wisdom. If you're tuning in and listening to that, even if it needs to be strengthened, even if you have doubts sometimes, you're spiritually awake and it will get stronger and stronger as you practice that skill. Don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.